Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are diving into the data types and variables in Java, the foundation of every Java program. Ever wondered how computers store numbers, characters, or even whole sentences? Well, Java has a system for this called data types. Data types. By the end of this video, you will understand how to declare variables and choose the right data type. So let's get started. In Java, variables are containers that hold values. Think of them like labeled storage boxes. Here's how we declare a variable in Java. As you can see, we have already started the code how we do like public class lecture 2 data types with a void main argument. In this, as you can see, we have declared a variable which is an integer variable like int age is equal to 25. A variable has three types, for three main parts. The first is a type, which is the kind of data it can store. Second is the name, the label or identifier. And third is the value, the data that you assign. Now, Java has eight built-in primitive data types. Let's quickly go over them. This is the numeric data type, which we have discussed. The second is the byte data type, in whose range goes from minus 128 to 127. Then there is short data type whose range goes from minus 32,000 to plus 32,000. Then there is the integer data type which is of 4 bytes. Then there is long data type which is used for extraordinary large numbers. Then we have the float data type which is used for suffix, which is used for decimal. Then we have double data type which is of 8 bytes which is used for more decimals. Then we have character and boolean data type which is used for grades and characters. Then there is the Boolean data type in which only true and false is used. This is how we are printing each and every single one of these data types. This is the command that we usually use. Here we type what we want to do, plus we concatenate the variable with the text that we are printing using this print argument. As you can see already in command, these are all which are getting printed till here. Now, Now we are coming to the second type of data type, which is known as reference data types. Reference data type stores more complex objects, not just raw values. An example of a reference data type are strings. String stores a sequence of characters. For example, here we have announced a variable name using string. String name is equal to ram. System.out.println name, and here is this, we have concatenated this. Then there is system.out.println. Here we have name length and we have concatenated the length of the name data which is input in the name variable using a built-in method. Length is a built-in method which are types of internal systems which allow us to perform functions by declaring a simple command. Here we using dot length, we are easily taking out a number of letters that are in this text. As we can see in the output, RAM has 3. And also now the second example is of string concatenation, in which we are basically concatenating two strings. Here as you can see, in greeting we have declared hello as a string. In full greeting we have basically added the name and the string here. So greeting plus name, by using this thing we basically get our full greeting here. As you can see, it's hello Ram. Later in Java we will learn more about arrays, lists and custom classes and objects. Wrapping up, we have learned today that what variables are, what are the eight primitive data types, we have understood reference types like strings. Now, I would request all of you to try declaring your own variables below, like string, your name, which is here it is your name, then in integer, your age, which is 20. Feel free to experiment, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your Java questions. Thank you.